All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's toss time. The Karnataka Bulldogs take on the Mumbai Heroes. Both the captains here with me. I have Kicha Sudeep leading the Karnataka Bulldogs, Saqib Salim leading the Mumbai Heroes. We have the match referee, which is Kusha Prakash, who's going to be here to officiate proceedings. And of course, there's Mr. Sandeep Sharma, Head Digital Alliance, Airtel Payments Bank. Warm welcome to everyone. Kicha Sudeep's got the coin. It's going to be Saqib to call.
Tails.
Tails is the call. It is tails. So, Saqib,
Bowl first.
you've decided to bowl first. Any thought behind that decision?
We are a batting heavy side, so we want to chase. We think our batsmen can score the runs in the last innings. So let's try and get them on in early. That's the idea.
Absolutely. You want to let them put runs and you want to chase it down. Looking back at last weekend, you would like to overcome that loss to the Bhojpuri Dabangs and get your first win
Oh,
of the
we've
season.
forgotten that game. We are moving on from that. It's a long tournament. And I think if we play to our potential, we are a great side. It's an honor to be leading my side against Sudeep Anna's side. We've always played hard games, though we've never won. We hope we can change that this time.
Any changes to your team coming into this match?
A bunch of changes. Sohail Khan comes in and Freddie Daruwala comes in.
Oh, superb. Not bad. Hope you go well for the day today.
Thank you.
Kecha sir, let's have a quick conversation with you as well. You've got to put runs on the board here, but you're the side to beat. 2 matches, 2 wins, right on top of the table.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನ್ನಡ ವೀಕ್ಷಕರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಎಸ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ 2 ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಗೇಮ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ coming from the second game, I think there's a little more to improvise, learn, and put it to execution today.
Looking back at how you've registered both the wins, they've both been very convincing. One by 8 wickets, the other by 46 odd runs. So what is it that your team cannot do? Because you can chase, you can restrict the opposition.
So, frankly speaking, after seeing yesterday's games of when we played against Chennai and watching Hyderabad match, I think there's a lot we also have to learn as to how to execute better. We are doing better, but I don't think it's enough to go and get the cup. We need to improvise. We will improvise better. I think put up a better show today, much better than what you have been doing today, so far.
It's an interesting format. No, 2 innings and 10 overs, and you get a chance to come in and bat again. Now that you've been asked to bat first, do you have a target in mind that you want to put on the board?
I don't think any target is enough here because seeing the previous matches of yesterday, Hyderabad or a Bhojpuri chasing and everything, I think no target is enough because on a bad day, I don't know what works, what doesn't work. I think we just need to go, get the best, give our best, and I think then wait for the results. Or I don't think we can have a particular, because suddenly there are heroes emerging every match and new heroes, and everybody's taking us by surprise. I think we just need to go out and give our best.
Any changes to your side?
No, we're going with the same team was yesterday.
All the best, go well.
Thank you. ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು ಒಂದು support ಇರಲಿ. Thank you so much.
There's no dearth of support for Kicha Sudeep and the Karnataka Bulldozers. The news from the center, Saqib, the captain of Mumbai Heroes, won the toss and they've chosen to bowl first.